Okay. So today, and how many formulas and sub-formulas do we have in Vedic Maths?
16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas.
Very good. So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about this. 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas.
What about stotras?
Stotras is nothing but formulas. 16, not stotra dear. Stotra means what? It's a chant. Sutra.
Sutra.
Sutra. Sutra means formula. Stotra means it is a chant. Okay. So today we are going to learn about this. Fine. So what do you mean by formula? What do you mean by a formula?
Sutra.
What?
Sutras.
Sutras, formulas. I am asking you the meaning of that. What do you mean by formula? Any idea? Vaidehi, do you want to tell?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. How about you?
I have no idea.
No idea.
Ma'am, can you tell again? Ma'am, I have no
What
idea.
what is the meaning of formula, or what is the meaning of sutra?
Ma'am, I know the meaning of formula. The formula is a type of equation that is used to solve an question of maths.
Correct. Formula, and I want to tell you one thing. Formulas means it is not only with respect to mathematics. It is not respect to only one subject.
Ma'am, also with science.
Yeah, it is also with science. Correct. You're right. Okay. Let me teach you the formulas, the important formulas. Okay. So the very important formula is, okay. Guys, don't copy anything because you have this formula list in your content. And before starting this, did you people able to access the content? Is anyone finding an issue with that?
Ma'am, what do you mean?
Do you able to access the content, or are you able to see the content in Olympiad Success platform? Yeah.
I can see the content.
Okay, very good. How about you? How about other people?
Do we have to do Olympiad Success right now?
No. I'm just asking you, are you able to access the content or not? Like,
Yes,
are you able to see the content? Is anyone facing any issue in that?
No, ma'am.
No,
Me,
right?
Rajesh.
Yeah, what happened?
I can't get book my batch.
You have to contact that number. I told you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please contact that number. They are going to help you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, I am going to tell you about sutras. So, you told me that it is a tool. It is a method of solving problems. Correct? You're right. It is a method of solving problems. But what exactly do you mean by a sutra? How they are going to invent it? It is a thought. Okay. For example, if they are doing some experiment, okay, they are going to get a thought that it is going to work if I apply this, right? So that is called as formula. Okay. If I apply some technique into it, I am going to get the correct answer, right? Yes or no? So that is the actual meaning of sutras or formulas. Okay. Let me tell you the 16 sutras of Vedic mathematics. Let me know if you are not able to understand. Okay. First one is, the very first sutra is Ek Dikena Purvena. This is your first sutra. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. No, don't write anything. I'll give you time. I want you to understand it, because sometimes it is difficult for you to pronounce it, right? You just Listen to me. Ekadikena purvena. That is your first sutra. What is the meaning of that? Eka means what? One. Okay. Eka means one. So the meaning is by one more than the purvena means what? Previous thing. Okay. Eka means one. Purva means purvena means previous one. I'm hearing some background noise from someone. Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, thank you so much. Just a minute. Yeah. So by one more than the previous one. So this is the meaning of Ekadikena Purvena. Okay. So this is your first sutra. I am going to teach you the applications when you are solving a problem. You just understand the name and its meaning. Daria, are you walking somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please sit?
What, ma'am?
Can you please sit somewhere and listen to her?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just sitting in there.
Yeah, please. Okay. So this is your first sutra. Second one. Nikilam Navatash Charamam Rasha. Okay. So the first sutra is Ekadikena Purvena, by one more than the previous one. Nikilam Navatash Charamam Dashataha. This is means what? The meaning of this is, I'll just tell you in the next page. Okay. So the meaning is all from 9 and last from 10. In this course, I am going to teach you this sutra. Okay. So this is your second sutra. Next, the third one is, so how we have to what is that? Pronounce this? Nikilam Navatash Dashataha. Okay. Next is Urdhva Yam. So even I'm going to teach even this sutra in this session, like in this course, vertically and crosswise multiplication. Okay. Next is Paravartya Yojayet. This is your fourth sutra. This is transpose and apply. This sutra we mainly use for division. Okay. Next is, so I'm going to tell you again, don't worry. Shunyam Samya Samuchaye. Okay. When the sum is same, when the sum is the same, the sum is 0. This we usually use in equations. Okay. So at this age, you don't need all those things. Okay. So let me explain you from beginning. Okay. The first sutra is Ekadikena Purvena. It is nothing but by one more than the previous one. Okay. The second sutra is Nikilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. All from 9 and last from 10. This sutra is very important. Okay. If you know this particular sutra, you can do any kind of subtraction. Okay. Even if it is 10-digit subtraction also, you can do using this Nikilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. So the third sutra is Urdhva Triyarpaya. This
Ma'am,
is also what?
Ma'am, can I have to explain?
Yeah. After explaining, I'll give you time, you can write. Urdhva Triyarpayam, this is vertically and crosswise multiplication. So by using this sutra, you can multiply n number of digits with n number of digits. That is nothing but start. For example, let me tell you, if I want to multiply 12 into 99, it is possible by using this sutra. Okay. You can solve this particular 12 into 99 within 30 seconds. Okay. By using this sutra. Next is Paravartya Yojayet. This is transpose and apply. This particular sutra is used while doing division problems. Okay. So these three sutra are very, very important because the first sutra, it is used for subtraction. The Urdhva Triyarpayam will use for multiplication and Paravarti Yojayat will use for division. Okay. So next is Shunyam Samya Samuchaye. This will use for equations. Okay. This you will be learning in your advanced level, not now. Okay. You can copy this. After writing, let me know. I'll tell you the next sutras. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please write it down and let me know once you finish writing it.
Done, ma'am. Can you show me the second one?
Is everyone done copying this?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, please do it.
Ma'am, I am done.
Okay. Please wait. Let others complete.
I'm not done, ma'am.
Okay. Do it. Write it.
Oh, okay. I will wait.
Lilakant finished? Okay. How about you, Daria? Are you traveling somewhere?
What, ma'am?
Are you traveling somewhere?
Yes, ma'am. I'm traveling.
Okay. So do you have a notebook to copy this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please copy it. Rudransh, how about you? Finished? Write it fast.
Can you show me the third one? I have not done third and fourth and fifth.
Wait. I'll show you. Let me know if everyone copied this first one.
Yes, ma'am. Can you
Yes, okay.
show me the second one?
This
Yes,
is your second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Ma'am, can you go to the previous one?
you still copying it? Okay. Write it fast, dear. We don't have much time. I need to complete all the 16 sutras explanation, right?
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
And third one, I am moving to fourth.
Yeah, please write it. Vaidehi, are you facing any issue?
Ma'am, I'm in a car and it's very difficult to write, so I'm taking screenshots right now.
It is very difficult to.
Write in the car because the car is moving. So,
Ma'am, do they have to write all this?
Yeah, they can just write it and keep it. Because these words are really new to them, right, ma'am?
Okay. You write in normal this thing, not like capital beta. You write in normal, it will be fast.
You can write in your normal handwriting. Don't use capital words.
Yeah. Hey, don't rub now. Just start writing. Where are you? Which point are you? Second. Third.
Rudransh, tell me what's your issue?
ma'am, the issue is that I'm traveling in a car, so it's difficult to write. Right, so I'm taking screenshots to do it later.
Okay. Please finish it off, okay? Don't just take the screenshots and keep.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is in notebook, it is always better. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done with the fourth one. Can you show me the fifth one?
Please wait here. Others are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaidehi, do you want me to read it for you? Are you feeling it difficult to write?
Yes, ma'am. It's difficult to write, but I can read.
Okay.
Vertically and
Don't worry, guys. Only this class you will have more to write. From next class, it is not like that. Okay.
yeah, ma'am, I was going to say, can we not have this as like a downloadable material for the kids?
It's already there in the contents, ma'am. I'm making them to write because they should pronounce it, right?
I have done fourth one. Can you show me?
Please wait, dear. Please wait. Others are writing. Have some patience.
I don't think so. Today we have so much work.
What?
I don't think so. Today we have so much work.
So much
Work.
work.
Ma'am, it is not. Is it so little work?
Yeah, little only. You're right.
I don't feel it is so very hard.
Vedic Maths looks hard,
But it is easy.
but it is easy. You're right.
Yes, ma'am. You're right.
Vaidehi, done?
Ma'am, my mother copied it out, so after the class, I'm going to write it.
Okay, dear, fine. Yes. Don't copy this. You just listen to me. Those three are very important. You have already copied it, right? These three. Okay, you just listen to me now. I am going to teach you the rest. Okay. What?
Ma'am, you should not write this.
Don't write now. I'll tell you. Okay. Next is Anurupye Shunya Manyat. Okay. This is your next
How
one.
do you do control? Ma'am, can I do screenshot? Ma'am, can I write this?
Please wait. Let me explain it to you first. Later you can write it. Okay. See, Anurupye Shunyamashchat. So this you will get while doing, this will be very helpful while when you are solving the ratio problems.
Okay.
So at present, you don't need this. So in this course, I am going to teach you Nikilam Navatascharamam and Urvatriyagyam. These two are very important. Let me teach you one simple one. Okay. All from 9 and last from 10. Okay, I'll just tell you the application of this, how we are going to use this. Okay, for example, if you have 1000 and if you want to subtract it with 345. So while doing this, you may feel it difficult to subtract within seconds.
Not difficult at all.
It is not difficult at all, I know. If you have some 10 to 20 problems and if I ask you to solve within 5 minutes, tell me, is it difficult or not? Yes or no? It is difficult, right? Solving, say, single problem in 1 hour is not a difficult. I understand. But solving 20 problems in 5 minutes is difficult task. So what you are going to do over here? See, all from 9 and last from 10. You can just look at the name. All from 9 means all the things from 9, last from 10. So this your last 0, correct? You have to count from your right hand side. This is your first one. If you are counting from left hand side, this is your last 0. So this last 0, you are going to replace it by 10. I don't want anyone to write anything. I just want you to listen. Okay. So this last one, you are going to replace it by 10. The rest all zeros. You are going to replace it by 9. Okay. Now, what is 10 minus 5? What is 10 minus 5? 5, correct. What is 9 minus 4?
5.
5. What is 9 minus 3?
Ma'am, it's 6.
9 minus 3?
6.
6. I taught you one sutra, the first sutra, right? Ekadikena purvena, right? So here you have 1. I am not going to replace this with anything. So what I am doing, I am just subtracting it by 1. So I am going to get 0. Okay. This is the application of all from 9 and last from 10. This I am going to teach you in the next coming classes. I am just giving you the application. Like how, yeah. I am not able to hear anything from you.
Ma'am, zero has no value. You should not write 0. 0 has no value.
Yeah, no value, correct. But in this case, it has no value. But while doing some complicated problems, for example, if you have something 1 over here. Okay, so at that time, what will you do? You have to write this 1 as it is. Yes or no? Yes, right? Yeah. So in those cases, it is very useful. This is the application of all from 9 and last from 10. So let me teach you one more application, vertically crosswise, right? So for example, you have 12 and I want to multiply this with 21. Okay, I am using a technique called bow technique. It is something like this. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just writing it 1, okay, then 5. This is 2, 5, and 2. Okay, I am going to multiply it with seconds. How it is possible? By using this technique. This we call it as vertically crosswise multiplication. Okay.
Ma'am, is that undo button?
What?
Ma'am, is that undo button?
Undo button.
Yeah.
Which undo button?
That pencil, that black and white color.
Which I didn't understand here. What you are telling?
You have 252, right? That one. You have
One.
252.
This one, yeah, I'm using a pencil. You're right. So what I'm doing, I'm just multiplying these two things. Okay. Don't need to learn all these things in this class itself. I'm going to teach you in detail. I'm just telling you the application. Okay. How we are going to use that formula. Then 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 2 into 1 is 2. So by using this particular method, we can solve this problem within 30 seconds. Did you understand the application of those two?
Now I can do this in 10 seconds. I can do this in 10 seconds.
Yeah, you can do what? If you understand Vedic Maths, that is what? You can solve any problem within 30 seconds. That is what I meant. Okay. Now, I'm going to just tell you the other formulas. No need to write anything because those formulas are for advanced level. Okay. Those formulas are not included in your course. Is it clear?